Let's take a look at what the Sennheiser DeviceHub actually looks like.
After logging into Sennheiser DeviceHub, you will land on the dashboard. The dashboard serves as the central hub for managing your selected organization. It is designed to give you an overview of your Sennheiser setup with special guidance towards the devices that currently need your attention.
On the left side of the main navigation, you can see which organization you are currently working in. If you are invited to more than one organization, you can open a drop-down by clicking on the organization name and choose from the options to switch to another organization. If you're an integrator supporting multiple organizations, always make sure to select the correct one.
Also on the menu, you have quick access to devices, locations, and team. So let's have a quick look. On the device list, you will find all your devices enrolled to the selected organization inside Sennheiser DeviceHub that you have access to.
Let's continue with the location view, which is a virtual representation of your organization's physical location structure.
And finally, we have the team section. In this space, you have a list of all DeviceHub users within the selected organization and their assigned roles. Users with the owner role can invite new users and manage assigned roles. You can learn more about the roles and permissions in a separate section of this training.